Understanding social distancing. What is social distancing? Social distancing is staying away from others, especially groups of people. This helps to lower the chances of spreading a virus like coronavirus to others. Why do we need to have social distancing? We need to have social distancing because we don't always feel symptoms when we are sick with the virus. Sometimes we don't even know we have it. Social distancing is the best and most effective thing we can do to help stop the spread of the virus. It is everyone's responsibility to help by staying away from others as much as possible. How do we do social distancing? To do social distancing, we need to limit the time and places we are with other people. We also need to limit how close we get to people, especially people outside of our own family. It's the best to stay about 6 feet away from people who are not in our family. This means no play dates for a while. This means not going to many of the places that we're used to going to for a while. This means not going to public places like restaurants, libraries, the movies, or bowling for a while. It may even mean that school is closed for a while. Some places will stay open. Hospitals, grocery stores, and some business will stay open because we really need them. What can we do while social distancing? This is a good time to take naps, watch TV, read a book, exercise, or play games like video games, word searches, I spy puzzles, cook, organize, build, etc. If parents say it's okay, we can play outside. If we play outside, we need to stay off of the playground equipment because the virus could be spread on the equipment. If we play outside, we need to stay about 6 feet away from others who are not in our family. If we play outside, we do lots of fun things like kick a soccer ball back and forth, go for a walk, ride a bike, play with our dog, or fly a kite. If we all do our part, we will help to stop the spread of the coronavirus and we'll be back to our regular routine faster. Understanding social distancing helps everyone stay healthy.